What's going on? We are off on an afternoon trip, I guess, to shoot some photography. I think we're gonna try to climb a mountain. So we're close to our final destination, and we just stopped to fly the drone. Jody is doing like a hero video style thing, which you can see on our channel in a couple days probably, and we want to get a cool drone shot of driving up this mountain, this final bit of the mountain. So I'm gonna put the drone up quick. I don't like doing this. I'm gonna drone and drive, but the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna plot a course for the drone, so then the drone just flies itself and then I just drive. So yeah, that's what's gonna go down.
'Cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep a circle back to what I do. I crush a little harder and hide the tools. Yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Hang on the ropes now, 'cause I wanna feel your body next to me. Get a bit close.
Had a bit of a drone scare, and the drone just lost connection. It just disappeared for a while. We went looking for it, and then it was just landed back where we took off from. Gotta love technology. That's Mount Zaz. I think it's the biggest mountain in these islands, in the island range, and we were gonna hike up it, but we thought the road got closer to the top, and it says it's gonna be like at least an hour, so I don't think we have time. But there's a place called Aria Spring right here. We're gonna check this out really quick, and then maybe try to drive up one of the smaller mountains nearby.
Just a bare second till we're falling deep. Crash and burn, oh my God. Look on your face, it's just my luck. Move so fast. 'Cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep a circle back to what I do. I crush a little harder and hide the tools. Yeah. We could try to be more.
On the other side, that's Mount Zaz or whatever it is. It's the mountain that we were gonna go up. When we were over there, we decided that it was too big of a hike. We also saw this church up in the wind on a peak exactly opposite. Whoa! And the wind is kicking up now, big time. This church looks epic. We're gonna hike up there and hopefully make this our photo spot.
Starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. Starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames.
We're at the top. It's kind of awesome. It's all kinds of awesome up here. Yes, the church is cool, obviously, but the views are just insane. They're ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
I feel it under my skin. I feel it, I'm gonna give in.
It is so cool up here, and the sun's still up. It's still 5 fingers up, so maybe about 45 minutes until sunset. I'm gonna do a shot that I don't normally do. I'm gonna shoot straight into this backlight, like straight into it. There's just all this really nice hazy light that's a little bit harsh, but really golden and beautiful. And I think maybe 24 millimeters, maybe 16 millimeters from right here, with maybe Jody standing off on the cliff that way, with the sun still up in the sky, I think this is gonna be awesome. This is going to work. As long as the wind doesn't knock me off of this cliff edge, this is gonna work. The backlight is definitely strong, but it's kind of going through a hazy bit on the horizon, and I'm just gonna blow out the sky. I think a lot of landscape photographers, and a lot of photographers in general, get the idea in their heads that you can't blow out highlights, that the highlights can't be blown out, that the shadows can't be clipped, but shoot the mood. In photography, shoot the mood. And the mood up here on the mountain is bright, it's white, it's colorful with a golden hour happening, and to accentuate that, to grasp that mood, I'm shooting straight into it and blowing those highlights out like crazy. We're done. It seems crazy to leave when the light still looks like that, but we got the shots we needed. I ended up actually taking another photo of Jody with a 3-stop soft grad filter on. I'll show that to you now. The gimbal and me are being battered around by this wind, and apparently Jody too, and this wind coming down. And the reason we're leaving right now rather than waiting until the end is just because we're hungry. That's it. That's the only reason. We're hungry. And yeah, we're gonna go get some food. I think I'm actually gonna sign off this vlog. I know it was a short vlog, but it was a fun vlog, right? Right? And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.